Welcome to this video. This is going to be my webinar kit bonus video. So I'm going to show you the unique bonus package that I've put together for the webinar kit launch of 2022. This software has launched before, but this is the big launch of August 2nd, 2022. They've made a lot of more improvements to the software, and they're relaunching it, and I've already checked it out. If you want a full demo and tutorial, I released that yesterday, so there'll be a link below if you want to go and check out the full demo, exactly what WebinarKit can do for you and your business. But specifically today, I'm going to show you what my bonuses will be, and I know that my bonuses are going to be the best bonuses. If you go out bonus shopping, bonus hunting, mine are going to be real value, stuff that I've put together myself, premium courses that I sell on a daily basis. You're going to be really happy to see what I have in store for you. Also, you want to make sure to subscribe to my channel, David Mills, because I will be coming out with tomorrow on launch day my official review video, and it'll be summing up all my last couple videos that I've made for you guys. Hope you guys liked this style, because I'm getting the information out to you so that you don't have to spend hours of your time on launch day figuring out which video to watch, which review and stuff. Like I'm giving you all the value up front, so that way you can make an informed decision on launch day for this product. I'll be picking this product up. You can go check out those videos below, because this software looks killer if you're an online marketer and you always wanted to go out and create these automated webinar funnels. This one is going to be able to get the job done very well. So go ahead and subscribe, because then you'll get my video tomorrow. Let's jump in real quick to the bonuses. So here's my bonus page. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay, so I've zoomed in. This is for the new auto webinar platform. WebinarKit allows you to quickly create full automated webinar funnels in a few clicks. I've got a real world value of $450 on these bonuses. I'm not going to come over here and bull crap you and tell you that I've got a $4,000 giveaway in bonuses, right? So you're going to buy a $67 product, but I'm going to give you $4,000. No, that's just, we already know that that's that's smoke and mirrors. That's just not I'm not going to bull crap you, but you will see the real value. And I actually do this. My bonuses are actually worth this. So we're going to come through here at any time. If you just click one of these green buttons after the product launches, if it's August 2nd, then you click one of these green buttons. It's going to take you directly to the sales page where you can pick it up. And then if you click one of these buttons, then that's how you'll be able to access my bonuses. Okay, so let's go and check out the bonuses. You can read through some of the benefits right here as well. The cool thing is that this is a lifetime deal pricing, pay once, no monthly fees. I love that. I strongly recommend getting the one-time offer number 1, and the other ones are not really necessary, but number 1 for the video hosting and stuff like that would be worth it, but it's not necessary. This one, you're going to get a lot for just the front end product, and it's at $67. So we're going to come through here, bonus number 1. I don't normally do this. I've done it for a couple launches before. This is one of the highest value products that I can give away to you as a bonus and as an incentive to pick it up through my link. If you ever wanted to make money from PLR, I have a premium course that I've had out for a couple years. I have hundreds of students, and it sells every day for like $99. And so you will get access to this premium course as a bonus for picking up WebinarKit with my link. Like I said, I only do this a couple of times, but WebinarKit is a big launch and a product that I'm standing by and giving my 2 thumbs up on. So I want to really give a good bonus to you guys. So this one is definitely worth picking up. This actually sells for $100 daily. So this is worth more than the actual front-end product WebinarKit anyways, right? So this is definitely worth picking up. You can read about it. It's my top selling course, PLR profits, and so forth. Okay, so then I have another course that I had come out with. This is my newest course, and it's how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software. It's straight to the point, no fluff. It's 1 hour of extremely valuable content, and I take you through how to start making videos 100% script writing, voiceover, and video creation, all using artificial intelligence. Super, super cool. No one else I don't think I've seen any other course quite like this one. Super cool stuff. So this one is also amazing, and it's basically worth the same price as the front end product. And then we have this stuff right here, because this is really, you know, when you pick up WebinarKit, what are you going to want to do, right? You're going to build a funnel, and then you're going to want to start getting organic traffic to that funnel, right? Well, how are you going to do that? Well, I'm going to teach you all this stuff. Most of the time you're going to be hooking it up in the product you're going to be selling as like a course or something like that. You could use it for a software or something like that, but most of the time it's someone teaching somebody, you're trying to teach your audience how to do something. And so this unique training right here is a custom video training over the shoulder from me. So this is a premium bonus, and this has only been offered as a bonus. So this is not something that I've given away in any other aspect. I've never sold this before or anything like that. This is just a unique bonus, custom bonus for you. I value it at $99. It's going to teach you how to drive traffic to your courses. Very relevant to WebinarKit. Then we have the bonus number 4, secret YouTube ranking method. Well, after you create these videos, right, you figure out how you're going to drive traffic and stuff to your WebinarKit funnel after you pick up the product. You're going to want to be able to rank those videos as well, right? So I have my secret YouTube ranking method valued at $88. Again, custom over-the-shoulder video training from me. And then finally, we're going to go bonus number 5, learn how to be a better affiliate marketer. So this is just throwing in a bonus for you. And then also, this one is actually about keyword research for your YouTube videos, because when you're doing all, so sorry guys, this right here, I don't think I changed the title out, but this is the video keyword research secrets. Again, an over-the-shoulder custom video training, okay? So if you want to pick up these bonuses, you're going to want to make sure that you come back. You'll click whatever video you're watching. If you're watching this video and the product hasn't come out, you're just going to want to like bookmark or save this video. Or you're going to want to make sure to subscribe. And then when I come out tomorrow with my actual official WebinarKit review, it'll literally say WebinarKit review. I'll be coming out with that on August 2nd, 2022. I'll have the affiliate links all in all the videos, right? And so you click that when the product is live on August 2nd, and then you'll come over to this page right here, and you click any of these green buttons. Go purchase it. You'll get all these bonuses. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I hope you guys are seeing the value of this WebinarKit as I am, and we will see you next time.